Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dia. I appreciate you stopping by. I normally do planner videos and been dabbling in daily vlogs a little bit, but today's video is going to be a purse unboxing because I have the best mother-in-law ever. For Christmas this year, she gifted her children and their spouses a trip to Africa. So in October, we are going to be going to Africa, and I wanted a purse that I was going to be able to use for that trip. I have a couple of like satchels and my fanny pack, but nothing that is going to keep me organized while I'm on a trip like that, where things will be easy to access and I can safely keep cash, my ID, my passport, and my plane tickets, anything. And this company has the best purses for that. Their purses have so many compartments and storage areas while still being a smaller, decent sized purse. And they don't just have small purses. They have crossbodies, handbags, backpacks, wallets, clutches, and totes. They have large bags, small bags, and the thing that I love about their bags is most of them come with quite a few compartments to keep things organized and separated. I thought at first about getting a bag that I can kind of use every day, more of an everyday bag, because theirs seem perfect for that. But I normally have my backpack with me that I just kind of toss everything into, so I thought I would get something specific to this trip. And I struggled. There are so many selections on the website, not just color-wise, but also just what format they're in, how big they are, how many compartments they have. And I narrowed it down to like 3 purses and then told my daughter, please pick one of these for me. And I believe she picked out the Eirene bag. So I'm gonna unbox it and show it to you guys and let you guys know what I think of it. It is full grain leather. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. It came in this box right here, which kept it nice and safe, and it says created in passion, created with purpose over here on the side, and it's just one of these little magnetic boxes. I love packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. This reminds me of my Sterling Ink Common Planner. It has a little note in here saying thank you, and then this is how it came wrapped. Got a little sticker on here that I'm gonna probably keep and put in my journal. So I'm gonna be careful, sorry. And I love that it comes in this little pouch. It's this beautiful pink dusty color, and it has the company name on it. And I like that so that when I keep it on my shelf, it's protected and doesn't get all dusty. Okay. Oh, the smell, guys. I got this in the brown leather. I was torn between brown and camel, but ended up getting the brown. You guys, this is so buttery soft. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need a moment. This is so beautiful. You know how when you first get a purse, it's really stiff and you know, you have to break it in? This feels like I've had this purse for, you know, a few years already and have used it and loved it and taken care of it. It is so soft. And I think this is going to be the perfect size to keep everything in without weighing me down, because I'm still going to have my backpack with my camera and my work stuff and everything with me too. So, okay, let's go ahead and look inside. I'm not sure if I should turn the camera around or just show you guys this way. I think you guys will be able to see this way. My light's acting kind of crazy right now, but let me see. Okay, so this is it. The first thing I see is this little metal piece right here dangling down. It is so cute. It just has their little logo on it and their website. And these little metal loops right here are for the strap, which is probably inside. There is a pocket on the back right here. And it's a button pocket. Really easy to button. It's one of those magnetic ones that just seals itself shut. I'm going to go into this bigger compartment first because it's probably the least exciting of the two. Here's my little strap right here. It's just a little thin strap. And there is also a little wristlet strap, I think. Yeah, so you can use it as like a little clutch purse wristlet, or you can put your keys on here. Inside this pouch, actually, this is the little key thing right here, I believe. So you can clip your keys here. But on this side of the purse, there is a zipper going all across the back. There's a little zipper pouch in the back. It's pretty small. It'll fit like chapstick and stuff in it. And then on the other side are two little pouches. And just for size comparison, so like I'm trying to stick my phone in it, and it's the iPhone 13 or 12 Pro or something like that, and it doesn't fit in there. So they're pretty small little pockets. My phone does fit in here though, just like that. So I'm not sure how I'm going to organize this yet. I'll see if maybe I do that with you guys here. Okay, so let's get into this front pouch now. You guys, this thing is so soft. This front pouch is the reason why I bought this purse, because I felt like it would be easy to access stuff. I think most of their wallets, especially their smaller wallets, come with built-in card holders. There's a long one across the top here, and then you have 8 card holders. And then there's this little center section right here, which comes out actually. So it unbuttons. And I thought that was really cool. So if I ever wanted to travel a little bit lighter, I don't have to take that with me. So basically, this is the inside compartment here. Here's the little card holders, and there's a couple of little pouches on the side. And then this is the little insert that goes in here. Not hard to do, but not as easy as closing the back button because they're not the magnetic kind. So I guess you can switch this around either way too. There's another zipper section here. And then in this middle section, you have these little leather loops that you can wrap up your headphones in and stick them in here, or things that you just want to kind of pin down. And then here is yet another compartment. It's a good size little compartment. So this is going to be perfect for my trip. I'll show you guys what it looks like on right now. I know, I'm sorry, that's so obnoxious, but it feels so soft and it smells so good. I'm just amazed at how buttery soft this thing is. I have a planner cover coming from Vanderspec and I'm hoping it's this soft. But okay, well, let me go ahead and put this strap on it. Comes with a little... and we'll see what it looks like on. This is a really long strap, and I'm only 4'11", so straps are always an issue for me, but it looks like I can shorten it about 2 more notches, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So this would actually be the perfect everyday little carry for me. They have some that are really similar to this, but I know they would have fit my planner in them. It's just when we go to our trip to Africa, I'm not gonna bring my planner with me, and I just wanna carry all the essentials. So this is the strap right here. It's really long, and I have it on the shortest setting. And yeah, let me see if we can try this on. Okay guys, I hope I'm not too blown out. My camera's acting weird. Okay, so this is me. This is the bag. To wear it just like this would be a bit long for me, but I plan on wearing it crossbody just like this. And yeah, I think I could actually deal with it being just a little bit shorter, but I can always have another hole punched into it if I need it. Can you guys even see it? I'm so short. So yeah, this is it. Oh my gosh, guys, I love this. The smell, you just don't know unless you know and you love leather. So, okay, yeah, let me see if I can get you guys a better... Okay, guys, can you see that there? Is that... Yeah. I love this. I think I will shorten it to about there. And I know this isn't going to be a problem for most people, but I'm really tiny. So, yeah. Success. Okay, guys, so that is it. This is the Eirene, I'll put it right here, purse from Minooy, and gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous leather. And I think I'm going to probably look into getting an everyday carry bag from them, and when I do, I'll show it to you guys. And I'll show you how I'm using it. And I'm probably not going to fill this up right now just because I have too many other things to do. But when I do pack for my trip to Africa, I'll show you guys how I pack this up and everything else. Like always, I'll leave a link for this purse company down below and a discount code for $15 off your order. And I'm gonna also go ahead and take pictures of this purse and post it on my blog. So I'll put a link to the blog down below so you guys can check out some pictures of it if you want to get a closer look at it. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. It really helps me out. If you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe, and I hope to see all of you in the next video. Bye.